the words. Some men who studied the stars came from the east to Jerusalem and asked, "Where is the baby born to be the king of the Jews? We saw his star when it came up in the east, and we have come to worship him." And as per Herod's instruction, they left, and on their way they saw the same star they had seen in the east. When they saw it, how happy they were! What joy was theirs! It went ahead of them until it stopped over the place where the child was. The Gospel of Saint Matthew, chapter 2, verses 1 and 2 and 9 and 10. My dear brethren, as we are preparing for the Christmas celebration in this Advent season, I would like to speak about one of the stars. When Jesus was born in Bethlehem, as usual, there were so many stars in the sky. Among the cluster of stars or galaxy of stars, one star became the silver star, I will say. And it is the same silver star that led three great kings to Bethlehem, to the manger, which was their guide, which was their direction, which was their everything. When they entered Herod's palace, we could see that this silver star got disappeared. And when they came out of the Herod's palace and went it the way as they got the direction from the angel of the Lord, again the same silver star appeared in the sky to give them the direction, to give them the right direction. All my viewers, our duty also is to be the silver star. Not simply one among the stars. Instead, through our very life, through our deeds, through our words, through our actions, we should be silver star. We should be a silver star. With whomever we come in contact with, whatever apostolate that we do, we should be the silver star. Where we are working in the school, where we are working in the we are doing our pastor ministry, where we are engaged in social work, whatever it may be, it's our prime duty to be the silver star. One more point I want to add, that is, we are not alone. As the English dictum says, nobody is an island. We could see three kings here. As we all know, these three kings came from different parts of the world, but they met together. They journeyed together. They walked together to Bethlehem. When the shepherds got the message that Jesus was born, the shepherd did not go alone. They went together. When Jesus was born, not only one angel was there appeared in the sky, but a group of angels. We can say a galaxy of angels appeared in the sky. It shows our spirit of communion. It shows our togetherness. We are not islands. We are bound to be in the community, to be in the society, and to witness to Jesus. As I told you, wherever we are, whatever apostolate we do, we are together. So let's give witness to Jesus Christ and let's prepare for this Christmas. May God bless all of you, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas in advance. Have a nice day and have a blessed Christmas.